mean 10 over 3 for the second one, and the first one is 8 over 3 for the first one meter, so 8 over 3 and 10 over 3. Yeah.
So
Then after that, I saw that they were both like at least like 2 meter difference, 2 over 3 meter difference. So so the cost must be 2 over 3 more.
So this is the direct variation problem. Direct means if this quantity is increased, then another will also increase their value. This is the direct quantity, direct variation question. First quantity if we increase, second quantity is also will be large. So that is
You
direct
you
variation.
could divide that by 3 or 2.
3, 19 complete 2 over 3. Which option? A, B, C.
A.
A. Okay. Now direct variation 8 over 3 divide. In direct variation we divide. So 180, 8 over 3 divide equal to 10 over 3 divide x. Now we write is 8 over 3 multiply and reciprocal it becomes multiplicative inverse, we write it, so it become 1 over 180 and x become 1 over x. Now this 3x multiply this side, so 8 multiply 3 multiply x, and this 3 into 180 multiply this 10. So here we obtained x. So 183 is 5400 we obtained, and 8 3 are 24 we write in denominator. So both number 5400 and 24 cancels by 4. So it cancels 6 times, 4 cancels 1 to 24, 4 cancels 3 times to 25, 1350. Again it cancels by 2, 3 times, 2 cancels 675. So 196 3 ja, 196 3 ja is 588 plus 1 plus 1 is 589. 589 over 3. I think A option is not correct. 675 over 3.
Yeah.
675 divided by 3. Is it possible it can divide exactly? So 2 3 ja 6. Yes, it can divide exactly. So 2 3 ja 6, 0, and then 7 comes down. It divides 2 times, 6, 1 left, 1 5 comes. So 5 ja 225 is the answer. 225 is the answer.
I was going to say either A or B was one of my answers.
Okay. It can be also solved by unity method. Unity method, and
Yeah,
this method is
that's
also
the method I did, unity method. I think.
okay. Similar to this problem. Similar this problem. The question is, if 28 men can do a piece of work in 65 days. In how many days 52 men, in how many days will complete the same work? So here again we make table. So here is in table we write main versus days. So 28 main and days is 65,
and 65.
and then 52 main, then we need to find the value of days. So can you say is it direct variation or inverse variation?
Um, I think it's uh inverse.
Yeah, inverse, because more men will come, then the number of days will reduce.
Yeah.
So it is inverse variation.
And by the way, from the last week Thursday homework, is that all correct?
Yeah, your work, I think all correct. Your work.
Okay, just a second.
And there was one project was there. The project was to find the grocery items bill. So
Yeah, I sent that to you.
yeah. So in inverse variation we use multiply, because in direct variation we use divide. So D for direct, D for divide. So remember it, in inverse we use multiply. So how we write 28 multiply 65 equal to 52 multiply x. It can be simplified. So this 52 we shift into the denominator to find the x. So here is two method. First we can numerator multiply 28 multiply 65, then divide by 52. So 28 multiply 65 is 1820, divide by 52. So table of 52 is used to divide.
Yeah.
So we can write here division 1820 divided by 52. So 53 is 150. So near about 3 times it will divide. 3 is multiply, it becomes 156. Subtract it. 12 minus 6 6, 7 minus 5 2, 0 comes down. Can you tell how many times it will divide?
Um,
I think 5 ja, 5 ja, because it is just 520 is the 10 ja, 520 is the 10 ja.
so
It is half of the 520, it means
okay,
5.
yeah.
So it will give us 35 days. So there are 65 mains. So 35 days is enough for completing their work. So one method was unity method, another one is this tabular method. So I think this method you feel more easier. Inverse and
Yeah.
direct variation method is more easier than the previous unity method.
Yeah, it is. Because my mom,
Yeah.
she taught me this so basically like if you say 25 apples cost $1.20. So how much does 11 apples cost?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you wait. So yeah. Then what I do is I write cross multiplication. I basically do.
Yeah. So cross multiply we do in the divide type problem. If there is in the form of this way, x1 over y.
And if the numbers are big, you can just divide them so that they are smaller.
Yeah. So this is the division, this is the divide, and this is the direct variation. So we use cross multiply here. In this type of problem we use cross multiply, but here is not cross multiply, here we use multiply. So d for direct, d for divide. So divide form, cross multiply form we use in direct variation. So one apple cost, and if we bring more apples, then the cost will be also more larger. So that is direct variation. So we first identify from the given problem, is it direct variation or inverse problem, inverse variation. According to the variation we convert, we use multiply. If inverse is there, then we use multiply, these two are multiplying. If direct is there, then we use as divide, 28 over 65. So the condition first we identify from the given problem, because if we use this question according to direct variation, it will give us wrong answer. Larger mains number is 52, larger than 28. So the answer of the days in the direct variation will be larger than 65. Okay. So our grocery items sometimes are direct variation based questions, so we use here as cross multiply. But in our real problem, some also other type of problems, they also have inverse. So our next we are discussing here. Now question is, choose the greatest. Choose the greatest. So here is number 5 times 9, then 7, then 6 times 9. Second one is 5 times 7, then 1 5, then 6 times 7. Third option is 5 times 3, then 1, then 6 times 3. Then fourth one, 4 times 1, then 0 9, then 6 times 1. Question is, choose the greatest option. Choose the greatest option. Choose the greatest option. Okay, you can write, and you can solve if solve it as your homework.
Oh,
Take the screenshot if
Is it the fourth one?
Fourth one, we can discuss it if you have any reason behind it. Fourth one,
I just divided them all.
the divide, look the division. Suppose here is the new thing. This is 0.3, okay? If you remove this decimal, you can write what in fraction? 3 over. You can write 0.3 as 3 over.
Could you send it?
0.3 is written as 0.3 over 10, okay?
Okay.
And similarly, if there is two number decimal, if 0.03 is there, then you write 3 over 100. Is it correct? So if you write 0.003, you write 3 over 1000. Okay, the number of decimal is we count, and the number of zeros in denominator we write. So three decimal, three zeros, it means 1000. Two decimal, two zeros, it means 100. One decimal, one zero, it means 10. We write in denominator. Okay. But in the case of non-terminating, suppose the number is like this.
Aren't they all zero?
Repeat what?
For the choose the greatest option, aren't they all zero?
All zero. Where is all zero?
Because if you divide them the by the number beneath, the last number is always below the number.
11110 over 1 6 times 1. There is 6 digit number. In every there is 6 digit number.
Yeah, but then if you see when you have to divide 99999, 6 digits 9, and then over there is 9999997, which means that it will be less than the 99999.
Okay, I am telling you which one is more correctly. You can eliminate, then I am telling that method. Okay, so when we this is the related to this, it is not different, it is related to this. So I am telling you, here is the 3333, it is going till many time means infinite, it is not stopping. So infinite, in that case it is written as 0.3 bar. It is written as 0.3 bar. Okay, it is not terminating, it is continuously going on. So it is written as in the denominator, when we remove the decimal, it is written as 3 over 9. Okay.
Okay.
So when we write in denominator 9, when the number is same repeating number, and the number is infinite times it is repeating, in that case we suppose now second case, if the number is 3 1 3, the number is repeating like 3 1 0.313131. So 313131 repeating, in that case we write as 0.31 bar. This is called bar. So it is written as 31 over 99. Okay. If the number is 3 digit number is repeating again and again, suppose 321 321 321, infinite times it repeating, then it is written as 0.321 bar. And when we remove the bar, we put 999 in denominator. We put 999 in denominator. So here is also decimal, but the number are repeating. The number are repeating. In that case, we are writing 999 in denominator. So here is the case. Here is the case. So if we have this type of here, its answer in decimal, we can say that it is nothing but it is repeating. This is the number. This is the answer of division of this question. This is the answer of this question. without divide. Okay, is it correct?
Yeah.
Now what is the answer of last option? Last option, we multiply both numerator and denominator by 9. Okay, so that it become 9999. So we multiply both 9999, denominator becomes 6 times 9 and numerator becomes 9 9 is 81. Okay, and since all 9 are in denominator, 6 9, so it is 0.9999, 4 times 9 81 bar. Okay, and third option, here is third option, we multiply both numerator and denominator by 3, both multiply by 3. Here in the fourth option we multiply by 9, both numerator and denominator. Here we multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. So in that case numerator becomes 9999, 5 times 9, then 3. Denominator becomes 6 times 9. Okay, so its decimal value becomes 0.995 times 9, then 3 bar. Okay, so which one is the greatest option? So the greatest option, this D option is rejected first. This D option rejected first. So we have calculated 3 value. Now how we calculate second one? Because there is not 9, there is 7. So in the second value, first we divide both numerator and denominator by 7. We take 7 common. This 6 times 7 can be written as in this form. Okay, is it okay? Now we multiply this 7, we divide this numerator. This 7 we divide in numerator, but before divide we multiply both numerator and denominator by 9. So it becomes 9999 and 6 times 9. Outside there is 7 and we multiply this, we can divide by this 7. So if we divide by 7 numerator, it becomes 1, it becomes 1. So 5 times 1, then 5 divided by 7, 5 divided by 7, it gives us 50 divided by 7, so near about 7. 0 time, it will divide 0 time. First we write 0, then 7. Now multiply 9 is there, so it gives multiply. We write again. Okay, now we multiply by 9. In that case we get 9 9 9 9, then 0, then 6 3, over 9999, 6 times 9. So this 6 9, put the bar before 6 digit. So before 6 digit we put the bar, its number become 9999, 6 5 times 9, then 6. So this is the number. Okay, so can you identify among these which one is the greatest option? This is one. Last remaining digit are same, only last 2 digit we can calculate. See, observe, the 97 is the largest now option, so A option is correct. So all 4 in fraction form we convert into decimal form before observing which one is greatest. Otherwise how we can identify what the result here? Okay, is it clear? Any problem in this problem?